So, okay, so let's find our alcohol. Let's rinse this off first. That's just dust, that's just dust. You can use a paintbrush to get that off. So if it's dry, you can just use a paintbrush to get it off. Okay, so you can see that cleans up really nice. But here, you can see, here, can you see it right there?
Yep.
Okay,
Just a little.
so just a little, like that.
Okay, so that's just
It
alcohol.
just lifts it right off, yep.
Clear alcohol.
Straight alcohol.
Vodka or whatever.
Right, and what you need to do, well, usually after I do that is I'll tamp it with the powdered sugar so you won't see the shine.
Powdered sugar or cornstarch?
The cornstarch, it doesn't matter, either
Okay.
one. But that's too close to my gold thing, so I'm not gonna do it.
Gotcha.
But that's how you remove it, if you make an oopsie. I've got another one up here. I got a couple of them. I'll clean it up when I'm done painting. Ever so
Excellent.
gently, okay, so you do
Yeah.
it, and make sure you constantly clean your brush also when you do it.
And if that handle had come through, if you didn't break the handle, if the handle didn't break, where
Oh,
would
the
it
handle
go?
didn't break. I would attach it right here,
Okay.
and you can use royal icing and then use something to hold it up until it dries.
Oh, gotcha.
But unfortunately, it busted.
Okay.
But it would go right here, like so.
Gotcha.
And then I would put something there to hold it up
Right.
until it dried, and oh well.
A little sponge or anything, really.
Yeah,
Okay.
I use bottles and sponges, whatever.
Yeah. Whatever the right height.
Okay, so you get the general idea. So,
Excellent.
anyways, I blew all my little guys off. Let me put my little fortune cookies back on here again.
They're very lightweight.
Yeah.
Being just wafer paper.
Yeah, you can attach them with buttercream. They'll be fine.
Okay. Let's clear out get a nice shot of the whole.
Really? You don't want to see all the crap? That's. Did I say crap on TV? You want to see all the extra stuff?
Yeah, all the tools and things.
Oh yeah.
And if we can push it towards the camera, he can get another more bird's eye view of
Let me get the chocolate distraction off here.
the coolness going on there.
That's killing you there.
No big deal.
We're using it on the next cake too. So.
Do we have any last minute questions from anybody? Would you paint it before attaching next time?
Would I paint
I
the
guess-
gold?
Yeah.
No.
You
No,
wouldn't-
I
you
don't,
wouldn't paint
because
the
it'll dry too fast for me. It'll
Uh-huh.
dry too fast, and I'll just get gold all over my fingers as it rolls around on the cake. Then I'd really have a lot of gold everywhere.
Gotcha.
You think I had a lot of gold now? Yeah. So no, I wouldn't, because it's never worked for me.
Okay. Good
You
question,
know,
Deb.
if it
Thank you.
if it works for you, you can try it, but for me that doesn't work. So.
Gotcha. Okay. Is it possible? Here we go. Chinese Lantern by Tami Utley. Big round of applause for Tami. Yay! That's right. Fortune cookie's trying to escape. That's excellent. Excellent. Yes. Looking great. Thank you so much for joining us here at the YummyArts Kitchen, also known as Tammy's Kitchen. We'll see you on the forum, and we'll see you at YummyArts. Thanks again, gang. And
Thanks,
thank you,
everyone.
Tami. Thank you. Bye.